One.
नमस्कार, नमस्ते, नमस्कार, वलकम, खुशामदीद, सत श्री अकाल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नीकंदरिकी वंदनमो, जय स्वामीनारायण, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय जनेन्द्र, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे सारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बने हम लोग का या अली मदद और मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए हमारे सारे फीजन बंधुओं को बुलाए हम लोग का बुला बुला नीसाम बुला आपका प्यारा ऑफ कोर्स मैं सिर्फ महिमा के द्वारा अलत बाबा हाजिर का जन साथ में जो फालतू रानी आती है ना एज यूजुअल आती क्या लेट और क्या लेट आती है फालतू रानी एनीवेज उसका तो बहुत रहेगा कि लिसन टू द पैम पैम शो वंस इन अ व्हाइल व्हेन शी कम्स बैक वी विल टॉक टू हर फॉर श्योर बट जान लेकिन आपको बोल दे आप ट्यूनिंग कर रहे हैं तो प्राइम टाइम जैम फैम फैम में एंड आज का शो इज समथिंग वेरी क्लोज टू एवरीबॉडीज हार्ट. Well, sometimes people actually have heartburns listening to this kind of show also. So let me tell you, today's show is called, of course, just back with popular demand, the Thakela Thursdays. Yes, but Jan, we're going to talk about songs which are so Thakela that they go and make you totally tired. Now, I wonder why you're talking Thakela Thursday? Because Thursday ke din pe na, but Jan, they say it's the most tiring day because you have to get over Thursday to get into Friday because Friday is the start of the weekend. And right now, but as you know, the weekend is almost here, but it's not there. You can't feel Thakela-ness already, right? Now, let me tell you, that is why we brought this new genre of music which is called Thakela Thursday. As you know, the dark ages of Indian cinema, 80s and the early 90s part of it were dark ages where you actually had some songs which really made no sense. And there's some people who actually say there are some gurus of Thakela songs and everything, right? We'll do each his own, by the way. We feel some song of Thakela, but again, the song which we pick as Thakela might be sometimes it's a song people would like. No, doesn't matter. If you might like the Thakela songs, it's fine, and we agree to it. So if at all you feel any song we played today are not a Thakela song which you think is supposed to be a very good song, more power to you. You can just call back and say, hey, this is what it is. But in general, what we're going to ask you guys is to give and share with us the Thakela songs of your choice. But your pick of a Thakela song. Very simple, guys. Number to call is 408-912-2479 408 912-2479. आपको बोल दे कि आज के शो पे जो भी कॉल करने वाले हैं उनको सबसे ज्यादा we got lots of prizes for you guys, starting from concert for tickets which are happening this weekend, the next weekend, the following weekend, everything. We have great tickets for you guys. For instance, right now this weekend we have the Cafe or May, which actually coming up right now with Shabana Azmi ji and also our very own Jawad Prasad, and you can possibly get good seats because we have some good seats to give away to our bandhus. And here comes the late Lateef Faltu Rani.
Oh my God!
You know, Faltu Rani, as bright as my shirt is today, you're late. Period. People know about it. It is consecutively the second day of the whole week. But it doesn't matter, nobody, I handled it. Well, okay, but let me start off by saying, yes, where was I? I started off by saying we got tickets, right? Concert tickets. Now, this bit of weekend, what's happening is not a concert per se. It's more of a nice, a very nice narrative which has been done by Shabana Azmi ji and Jawad Prasad. It's more of a dialogue-based stuff. It's mixed with some nice songs is coming into it. And this is a sit-down kind of event which is going to happen this weekend. And if at all you want to win tickets for that, you got to call the show for sure. And for calling in, you got to call in as 408-912-2479 408-912-2479 में कॉल करने में आपको अभी के अभी साथ में आपके लिए रहेगा ये नेक्स्ट वीकेंड जो है विशाल शेखर वाला कॉन्सर्ट. Now the Vishal Shekhar concert is going to be something which you don't want to miss. But if you have not bought tickets for it, यार जाके खरीदो यार, because हमारे पास ज़्यादा tickets नहीं है देने के लिए आप लोगों को. But if you have a few of them, we'll raffle it out. But nevertheless, if you want to buy tickets for Vishal Shekhar, go to vslive.us.
Or you can just go to mediamahima.com and then go from there. We have a link there also, right?
Wonderful, that's true. We have a link to go through the Media Mahima blog also, mediamahima.com. And एक और चीज़ है, अगर if you don't want to, then actually, you know what, I would say we'll talk more about the other things. But अभी के लिए आपको बोल दे, if you take part in today's show, which is all about Thakela songs, I'm sure you love this show, right?
Oh God, no! You know what? We should we'll tell you why we didn't bring Thakela. Well, no, we won't tell you why. You guys will figure out why.
What?
Yeah, we didn't do Thakela Thursdays for a very long time.
Well, it's very long time. People kept on asking us to do it, but we didn't do it, right? But today is the day we're going to do Thakela songs.
In fact, one of our bandhus, actually not one, a few bandhus have said, we love all the themes, we love the Make Out Mondays, and thank you guys for everybody who wrote about our theme yesterday. Many people were saying that they love the Western Wednesdays. They say you should do it more often. You guys do it very rarely, like once in a year.
Hey, we have to do it. There has to be something like a novelty to it, right?
Right,
Like for instance,
it's fair.
Takeda Thursdays is bringing back after almost 6-7 months right now. And if at all you're wondering like why 6-7 months, well, but Jan, हम लोग तो बहुत सारे अच्छे गाने लगाते हैं. And कभी कभार क्या होता है, these अच्छे गाने itself, right? Sometimes they would be, you would get paka off at अच्छे गाने also sometimes. So once in a while you must have something like a kacha gana.
Right,
Or
exactly.
a takela gana, which will make you appreciate that acha gana afterwards.
Right, exactly. तो लेकिन आलतू आज हमारे बंधु से क्या पूछने वाला है? उनका सबसे थकेला वाला गाना
Yeah, man.
उनके हिसाब से जो गाना बहुत थकेला है.
And by the way, please, Baldujan, if at all somebody picks a Takela Gana of your, which you think is a very good Gana, don't get offended.
Right.
It's okay, it's fine. To each his own Takela.
That is absolutely right.
Right?
Well, let's define थकेला for the benefit of all our बंधुस, okay? थकेला गाना मतलब जब गाना सुनते हैं ना, सुनते ही आपको ऐसी थकान महसूस होती है कि लगा ये गाना क्यों बनाया बॉस, ऐसे लगता है, राइट?
Yeah.
या थकेला गाना जैसे कुमार सानू जी गा के थक गए ना, वैसे वैसे वाले गाने जहाँ पे 30 सेकेंड्स गाते हैं फिर उसके बाद तो वैसे वाले गाने, थकेले गाने अगर आप यहाँ पे शेयर करना चाहते हैं तो जरूर यहाँ पे कॉल करके आप शेयर कर सकते हैं 408-912-2479. Songs that are really totally थकेला, like pakao. Those are the kind of songs. So I'll give you a missile. आपको कॉल करके यहाँ पे शेयर करना पड़ेगा. And of course.
Why would I give a missile? Why would I give a missile?
Because I don't have my laptop up yet.
Why?
Yeah, because I don't have a playlist of tequila songs.
Because why? I don't know why you don't have a laptop up yet.
That's because I was rebooting my laptop.
Yeah, tell everybody, people know about it. In fact, this is also visual proof right up how I started the show on time. And Falguni walks in late. Facebook पे है और Periscope भी है, जाके check कर लो.
You're so terrible.
What?
Can you do this? Did I ever do this to you when you used to be late?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Yes, you have.
No.
Yes, you
No,
have.
no.
Yeah, people know about it.
No.
Okay, by the way, first of all, I was never late.
Oh.
So for you to get a chance to do it.
Okay.
But anyways, but right now, let me tell you a Takela song sample. To me, right, the dark age that I talked about. The one movie which I did not like, even I didn't even see it, but the song itself, was very, very Takela to me.
Yeah.
It was this song. And can you imagine this song is playing when the guys are going jogging in the morning? Seriously, I'm not kidding. They're going jogging. And here he sings, Dheere Dheere Se Mera Zindagi Bayana. Well, but John, for some people, this might not be Takela. We appreciate it, doesn't matter. So if you feel, oh no, this is not Takela, give me a call, let me know it was nice. But mere liye yaar, ye Takela gana hai. Gane which actually are sometimes why you were made in the first place. Now give us a call, let us know what is your Takela song. No, I'm not going to believe the fact that you say there are no Takela songs. Because there is a concept called Takela, which we created. We know we created this concept, right? Based on the fact that movie songs, which actually don't have to be there in the movie in the first place.
Correct.
And Takela, matlab, there's such pakao songs, and I promise every Takela song will not be only 1.5 minutes.
1.5 minutes?
That is
How
all.
much people play?
Oh, sorry, 1 minute.
Okay.
Oh my God, I can't take it anymore. Fazani, you know what? I forgot to tell about this. Takela songs, the genre is so
Takela.
yeah.
So
that
tiring.
we cannot think of actually playing this more. than a
Right,
minute.
exactly. More than a minute.
Yeah,
so
sorry.
you have to call in and you have to share with us कि सबसे थकेला गाना आपके हिसाब से कौन सा है? 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिए 408-912-2479. That's the number for you to call into the studio and share the most थकेला गाना of all times. And Altu,
Yeah.
वैसे हमारे शो पे ना हम लोग अच्छे गाने बजाते हैं.
Yeah.
So do you think we should give our bandus a reprieve from time to time?
Yeah, there's something called as cleansing your palate.
Right.
I didn't think your listening also can be a palate in such a way, sort of way.
True.
So yeah, in between the Takela ganas we play, we got to play something nice to at least cleanse your listening palate.
That is true. Absolutely, Banjar. तो आपको आइडिया आ गया ना कि कैसा वाला गाना है. तो हफ्ते भर का खुंदस जो है आपका, like Monday through Thursday, whatever you've been going through, इतनी थकान महसूस करते हैं, सब कुछ आज थकीले गानों के जरिए उतार बस बोल डाला दिल की भड़ास को उतार दो.
Well, actually, no. Before Singham, right? I had actually put Ajay Devgan in a category of tequila heroes.
No.
Before Singham. Serious, I'm not kidding.
Why, man?
You don't know that song of his, is it?
Which one, man?
That movie from that.
प्यार तो
No.
नहीं.
Wait. Was it Ajay Devgan the movie?
Yes, of
No,
course.
really?
Yeah, wasn't it?
No.
Maybe I could be wrong. I don't know. I think it's Ajay and Kajol.
Oh, really?
Huh.
Okay, but I'll tell you what. There are more songs of his which are really thakela.
Oh,
in fact,
really?
the movies were thakela, the songs were more thakela.
Yes.
Yeah, which one? Tell me.
Yes. Oh, his launch movie, debut movie.
Pool or Kati.
Yeah, why did you say that? I was going to ask Bandhu.
Well, okay, Bandhus are here. Let's see, ask them what they have to talk about our thakela concept today. Now, Mishka, aapka hard is trying thakela Thursdays mein. Who's this? Hello. Hey, Vidya, how you doing?
Bam.
Yes,
Sure,
please,
go
share
ahead.
it.
बोलो.
आजा पंछी अकेला है. But how does the tune go?
गाना भी इतना
Vijay, I totally agree with you because see, I tell you what, this particular genre was identified by us as in there were songs already in existence. So we took those songs and we said, okay, this category has to be created because nobody actually created a genre called Tequila. Because if you notice, Vidyachi, every movie, right, has one hit song for sure and they'll have one Tequila song for sure in them.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There'll be one song which actually will be so Tequila. Why you have to put this song in the
Yeah,
first
but
place?
then there are some artists who are masters in the tequila genre. So, yeah, वो खुंदस तो मैं निकालने वाली हूँ आज. तो आप एक काम करो, विद्या जी आप एक बताओ. हाँ, बोलो.
Exactly!
Yes,
Now you got it.
exactly.
That is why we actually play the we give them airtime because we have to appreciate every single thing.
Those
Vijay, you're
poor
so awesome.
movie directors and producers या किसका कहाँ से क्या पैसे निकाल के ऐसे डाला है उन्होंने.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah, I know. Aha. Wow.
Hi.
Beautiful. In fact, you actually brought a... It does. Very true. That's the reason we actually appreciate. We have a show dedicated for Tequila songs. Vidya ji, thank you so much for calling us. You know that on Facebook जाइएगा, post कीजिएगा. क्योंकि आज जो भी call करने वाले हैं, उनको कुछ ना कुछ definitely मिलने वाला है. Because आज हमारे सारे kind sponsors आपके लिए देने के लिए बैठे हैं यार.
That is right.
दिलदार.
Another thing is, Vidya ji, आपको शायद मिल सकता है कैफी और मैं की tickets.
Oh
That's
my God.
right. We're actually giving away a few bandhus VIP tickets to the Cafe or मैं event that's happening this Saturday. We're also giving away tickets to the Vishal Shekhar concert. It's going to be happening next Sunday.
परंतु फालतू रानी
किंतु परंतु कुछ नहीं आलतू बाबा.
नहीं, परंतु विद्या जी को जाके हमारे चेहरा किताब में जाके डाक डालनी पड़ेगी.
डाक? वो डाक है, पोस्ट करना पड़ेगा. हाँ. Oh God, please don't try all that. That's very थकेला.
I know it is.
आप जाके.
Don't worry, Bandhujan. No matter how tequila my jokes are, I have a more tequila song to actually beat it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, we have a question about this tequila song also. Vidya ji, jaake facebook.com/Radio The Hotties pe post kajiyega and also mention the tequila song that you picked. Now, Bandhujan, ये गाना जो अभी हम लोग आपके लिए बजाने वाले हैं, इस गाने के बारे में एक सवाल है.
वाह.
हाँ.
क्या सवाल है फालतू रानी?
हाँ, हमारा सवाल ये है कि इस गाने में एक हीरोइन है जिसकी करियर पहले से ही थक गई. उठने से पहले ही थक गई. बहुत प्रिटी हीरोइन थी.
She's pretty good looking.
Yeah, she's pretty good looking. लेकिन मूवी करियर उसकी ऐसे ही थक गई. वो हीरोइन कौन थी? वो थकेली हीरोइन कौन थी? कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 पे. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट करो. 4089122479.
You guys are wondering what song it is? Let me tell you. अकेली बाजार न जाया करो,
नजर लग जाएगी,
नजर लग जाएगी। अकेली बाजार
जाया करो,
अकेली ना बाजार जाया करो,
नजर लग जाएगी, सबकी नजर में न आया करो, नजर लग जाएगी, अकेली न बाजार जाया करो, नजर लग जाएगी, सबकी नजर में न आया करो, नजर लग जाएगी, समझो जरा बात मेरी जनाब, बजरिया में सबकी नजरिया खराब, नजर लग जाएगी, नजर लग जाएगी, अकेली न बाजार जाया करो,
नजर लग जाएगी, ओहो नजर लग जाएगी। Oh my God, what a lovely romantic song.
Chi.
What chi.
Well, the song is very tolerable because it's Udit Narayan's voice.
The voice actually makes it tolerable, but actually, can you imagine the wording? Can you imagine the wording?
What word?
अकेली न बाजार जाया करो, नजर लग जाएगी।
क्यों इकट्ठे जाएंगे तो नजर नहीं लगेगी क्या? Well, anyways, हमारे उस जमाने के भी कुमार रहे होंगे यार।
Wait, let me see. इस गाने के बोल लिखे हैं।
हाँ, please tell me it is not.
आनंद राज आनंद।
अच्छा, सर, sorry
And
sir.
guess what? They were the music directors.
तो आपको कॉल करना है बच्चा, हमने पूछा ये गाना देखो, we do not play these ganas for more than a minute.
Yeah, please,
And
sorry.
हमने आपसे पूछा था purely because यार आपको भी टॉर्चर क्यों करना है, राइट?
Yeah.
लेकिन उनको भी थोड़ा बहुत क्या कहे लाइफ मिल जाए, तो इसीलिए उनके लिए रेडियो डी हॉटीज पे 1 मिनट का एयर टाइम मिलता है,
Yeah.
तो वो लगा देते हैं, वो भी क्या याद रखेंगे टाइप्स।
Yeah.
तो आपसे हमने सवाल किया था कि कौन है हीरोइन इस गाने में जिसकी करियर उड़ने से पहले ही थक गई। तो 408-912-2479।
Hello, Pam, who's this? हाँ, विपुल दिस साइड, कैसे हैं आप? आपका लास्ट टाइम बहुत अच्छा है यार। विपुल दिस साइड। I've heard of विपुल देसाई, विपुल दिस साइड पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ।
एग्जैक्टली।
अच्छा विपुल भाई, आप बताइए कि ये गाना जो है ना, of course it is in our category already थकेला, I'm sorry, okay? इसमें एक हीरोइन है, जो very beautiful हीरोइन। I don't know about her acting skills and everything.
आंटी बहुत पसंद वाली हीरोइन है, वो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कुछ नहीं थी।
I was in school, I actually had a crush on her, so what?
Yuck, okay fine. So हाँ बताइए, आपके हिसाब से ये
हीरोइन कौन है?
हाँ।
Oh, how do you know it so? How do you know this so much?
क्योंकि वो नजर रख के घूमते थे, राइट?
अच्छा, नजर आपको लगता था?
नहीं।
She's a less. That is all, I know.
No. She's good looking, but unfortunately her career never took off in the
I think
industry. She never made it.
That's probably because I think the choice of movies and everything, whatever.
Yeah.
But anyway, Vipul ji, thank you so much for.
नहीं, उनसे थकेला गाना पूछो ना उनके हिसाब से।
हाँ, बताओ ना विपुल जी। आपका प्रेम रतन धन पायो।
Oh, how true यार।
प्रेम रतन धन पायो।
प्रेम रतन धन पायो मैंने, प्रेम रतन धन पायो। उस मूवी में एक ही गाना really worth it है, वो गाना है प्रेम लीला। That's the only song that's worth it in the entire movie.
Well, we will take it right now.
He's so true, man. Dude, you're like totally a bandhu. Vipul, please go post this on our Facebook page. Radio Rehori's #Thakela Thursdays, and वहाँ पे post कर दीजिएगा ताकि हम आपको कोई gift भेज सके. And if you haven't won a ticket already to Cafe और मैं, or for that matter Vishal Shekhar Live, please do #KM and #VS Live.
And first ready?
हाँ.
Right now it's cleansing time.
Uh-huh.
Yep, we already played around 2 Thakela songs. It's too much.
Yeah.
So we gotta play a nice song
Yeah.
from a Thakela movie.
Yeah, Thakela movie called Prem Rathan Dhanpayo, but a super duper R&D pick, Badujaan.
Ready?
Hey, do this.
Badajan, I hope you're enjoying it. Well, I know, this is the only show I can't see you can enjoy it. But don't worry, we will cleanse in between for sure.
We'll give you good songs in between.
Yeah, so stay tuned. If you're on Periscope or Facebook and you want to catch the radio, very simple. JC 1170 AM.
Download the app and listen to us on the app as well, Badajan.